OMGA stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Looking at OMGA Therapeutics, I do see a stock that's just melting like a freaking candle. Yeah, I've gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years. I've spent thousands on courses and mentors, and just like looking at OMGA Therapeutics, it's awful, borderline psychotic. Environments like this, like some guys are making money on, you know, short selling this, but since I was not in it before, you know, some people are obviously losing money, and I definitely have to say, like, cut the losses short, because this is melting. I genuinely do see this thing continuing and delivering even lower. It's on the Nasdaq, so I genuinely do even believe that it could be getting delisted unless they decide to do another reverse split, which in that case, then, you know, we'll see. But right now, for me at least, it's still bearish, not good whatsoever. So like even beforehand here, you can see my drawings when it was up at $1, I was still bearish. So yeah, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.